So if you want to make your live stream more exciting, maybe change to your iPad as you're streaming, or maybe you just want to play whatever you have here on the iPad on your TV, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to be utilizing this adapter. This is essentially USB-C to HDMI. I did try to buy the one from Apple, but I'm going to tell you, it's crazy expensive, and this one is so much cheaper. One thing that I'm going to mention is that you do need a video capture card to bring the iPad into the string, into the computer. However, not for the TV. In the case of playing whatever you have here into your TV, all you have to do is connect the HDMI to this, and it's going to work. Welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Okay, so this is going to be the Anchor USB-C, which you have right here, to HDMI adapter, and you can kind of see it right here. This is really cool. It's going to be critical if you're trying to bring an iPad into maybe a computer, or if you want to play a video through a TV. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take a look at it, and we're actually going to do some tests so you can figure out if this is going to work for you or not. First of all, the quality looks great. Anchor has been around for a really long time. I love the color. I love the branding. So again, it looks really, really nice. It kind of matched my computer, which is actually very, very cool. This cord right here is not too long and it's braided. And again, it looks like very flexible, like you won't have any issue. Overall, the quality just looks really good. It comes in a pack like this. This is kind of how it's going to arrive here to your house. And obviously, you're going to have some information. We're going to open this up just to give you an idea. This is kind of what you have right there. And here's going to be some paperwork that you're going to have as well. So a couple of the specs, obviously it's going to be compatible with laptops. It's going to be compatible with iPads as well. It says is 4K at 60 Hertz, aluminum construction, and again, compatible with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro. I got an iPad Air and it works as well. Other ones out there is going to be the Galaxy, the Pixelbook. So let's give it a try right here with my iPad. So we're going to go ahead and plug my iPad Air right there, and then we're going to go ahead and get the HDMI and plug it right here. Now, I am using a video capture card to do this. So again, I can see my iPad really, really good. But again, if I click on a video right here, I can make that bigger. And as I click right here, there's going to be some things that you're going to be able to hide, like your videos and some other stuff. There's all the stuff that you cannot hide. However, this is important because so very, very cool. Again, just another way to bring your iPad or something like that into a string, into a PowerPoint presentation or something like that. So now I'm here in front of my TV and we're going to do the same thing. We got the iPad with the dongle right here. And here it is. Let me just go ahead and put the iPad on the right direction. You can see it right here. I'm going to press play. To come back to YouTube, you could just activate them again and they will be right there. Again, pretty simple to do. Let's get to it. So again, this little thing right here is going to allow you to play whatever you want right here on TV. You're seeing it right here on the test that we are doing. I'm going to go ahead and pick another video, maybe a short or something like that, just so you can see. If you're watching anybody that is telling you you're going to make all this, and there you have it. So again, very, very simple, not too much money, and you can play videos on your TV. All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you in the next one.